Did you know you can prevent heart disease and live 10 years longer just by making one simple change? If you're enjoying this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Let's talk about raisins. Yeah, raisins! Despite being 60% sugar, they're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients. These little gems support heart health, appetite control, and can even help reduce cholesterol. Want more? Raisins have compounds that combat cavity-causing bacteria and may help prevent Alzheimer's. Who knew something so sweet could be so powerful? But remember, moderation is key. Stick to small servings, like 1 ounce, to get the benefits without overloading on sugar. Pair them with nuts or seeds to balance blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. And here's a tip: use raisins as a natural sweetener in recipes instead of refined sugar. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Stick around for our next video. It might surprise you.